So what about the rename file? So at first, again, import OS is still the same. Alt name, it means old name of the file. I will put it alt name.txt, and here will be a new name. So I would like to change it from the old name to the new name. Okay. So at first I would like to create the file. Okay, so it means the file with the alt name at first. So with open alt name, write. Again, we have permission to write, means it will create it if the file doesn't exist. And file write something like this file will be renamed, renamed, okay, renamed like this. So we will create it. So I will run it. We can check it if it exists or if it works. Okay, this file will be renamed. It's perfect. I like it. So now rename the file. So maybe you already know how to do that, and maybe you have a guess. So it's os.rename. So we need to say, okay, what do you want to rename? I would like to rename the old name and change it to the new name. Okay, and we will print some basic text like file old name rename to new name. Great. So we will see if it works. Maybe I will let it here like this, run it, and you can see the new name is here. So and we can see file old name.txt rename to new name. Okay, great. If I will delete this and run it again, file name rename to new name. Okay, we of course we saw the new name because the old name was created very fast, and after that immediately change it, so we can't see the old name here. Okay, so it was so fast. Okay, perfect. So that's it.